So here we are going to demonstrate about solar cleaning system. So the main components of our project are solar panel. Here we are going to use an rack and pinion mechanism. We have used a permanent magnet DC motor which is going to rotate at 10 rotations per minute and 30 rpm to rotate the brush. So here you can see the brush is connected to a single motor and there is a free wheel on the other end. And there is another permanent magnet DC motor to rotate the frame towards clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So here you can see a small DC pump, so which will be pumping out the water with the help of nozzle on the panel. And here is the electronic circuit. We are going to use an Arduino and 12 volts 1 amp lead acid battery. Here you can see charging circuit, white color board, which is able to charge the battery by using the solar panel. And here you can see the regulated power supply section. So this regulated power supply section, one RPS section will be giving input power supply to the Arduino and limit switches which are connected over here. So here you can see limit switch 1 and there is another limit switch on the other end. So when these limit switches are going to be activated, the direction of the motor will be changed with the help of solid state relay. So this data will be transmitting first to the controller, and after that the relay will able to change the course of direction. There is another 2-channel relay to turn on the DC water pump. So this entire power supply is given with the help of 12 volts 1 amp lead acid battery. So let us see the demonstration how it works. So let us turn on the kit. So when you turn on the kit, the pump gets activated and the limit switch is being touched and it moves back at the anti-clockwise direction. So when it reaches on the other end, the limit switch touches over here again and the entire cleaning system is going to be activated. So like this it takes nearly 7 revolutions to move clockwise and anti-clockwise direction to clean the entire system. So this is how the solar cleaning system is being fabricated by using an electronic and mechanical system. Thank you.